My name is Abbas, and when I moved to Wales, the best thing to do this to become volunteer, to help the community. So for that, I start doing volunteer work with some organization around. We are here today in Oasis doing volunteer work, preparing for a big lunch.
Every day we're making anywhere between 5 and 100 meals per meal. So we do lunch and we do dinner. We do lunch for a large amount of refugees and asylum seekers. So me and Abbas, we're going to go in and with our volunteer Sophie, we're going to make Moroccan tagine. If anyone wants to volunteer, and we can always use volunteers to do all sorts of things. If you want to help in the kitchen, we always welcome creativity. Please get in touch with Share at Oasis Cardiff. So it's share, SHARE, at oasiscardiff.org. That's the email address. Please send her an email.
If you have spare time, doesn't matter where you can volunteer. You can volunteer in many organizations around Wales. So don't be shy to become volunteer. Go ahead. If you have spare time, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, go ahead. You will find the best organization for you.